Phonics Power Up, Level 3, Book 2, Week 3 and 4. Revision. Let's get started. TH makes two sounds. The first one is a voiceless sound. A soft TH sound says th. Moth, moth. Path, path. Bath, bath. Oath, oath. With, with. Cloth, cloth. Broth, broth. South, south. Mouth, mouth. Smooth, smooth. Faith, faith. Teeth, teeth. Tooth, tooth. Three, three. Third, third. Thin, thin. Thick, thick. Thorn, thorn. Thank, thank. Think, think. Thing, thing. Thirst, thirst. Theft, theft. Throat, throat. Sun, sun. Der, thunder. Thursday, day, Thursday. TH also makes a voiced sound, says the, then, then, them, it's, this, that, is, these, those, those. Great job, kids! I'm so proud of you. See you again next time. Goodbye.